Hello friends, my name is Sagar More and today in this video we are going to discuss accidental global variable. So this interview question is often asked in technical discussions that what is accidental global variable. So let's discuss what is accidental global variable in JavaScript. So suppose you have a function, say function ABC, and now suppose you want to declare a variable inside it with the help of let keyword. So let a is equal to b is equal to 0. So in this example, if I try to increment a with a plus plus, and if I return that, okay, so then if I try to print a type of a and b, so what do you think, what will be the output? Suppose here I am saying type of a, and in next line I'm writing type of b. So try to guess what will be the type of a and what will be the type of b. You can write down in the comment section, and then I will explain how accidental global variable works in this situation. So what we have here is a function. Let me call a function here. So this will be called, okay, so we have a function ABC. We are calling that function ABC on line number 7, and we are also printing the type of A and type of B. So what type of A is, it returns the data type. So in this scenario we have two variables A and B. Both the variables are present in function, and we are returning a variable. But whenever we are returning variable from the function, that will be printed where it was called, and here we are calling that on line number 7. So we are not printing it, but we are incrementing it on line number 4. So in this case, what would be the output? Let me show you. The output of line number 9, console.log type of A is undefined, and output at line number 10, which is console type of B, is number. It is because let A on line number 3 is declared as block scope. So in function ABC, a variable A is declared as blocked scope, whereas B variable did not declared as block scope. Hence it will go as a global variable. So it will be assigned to window object. So it will be window.b is equal to 0. So since it will be global variable and a variable is blocked scope variable, it will not be accessible outside that function, and we are trying to access that on line number 9, which is outside of that function, and that's why it is returning undefined. And since b was a global variable which is binded to window object, so it will be 0 since 0 is assigned to b variable, and since it will be global variable, it will be accessible on line number 10, and hence the type of b is number. This is how global variables are accidentally created in your function if you try to assign a variable to another variable which is blocked scope Here in this case, A is a blocked scope and B will be global variable. So I hope you have learned something new today. If you like this video, press like button, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for your time.